Hey, I'm Carrick with Growlink.
I'm Sean with the Meter Designs.
In this video series, we'll be walking you through the installation and setup process for your Growlink Nutrient Delivery Kit.
Your kit will come with an included parts list and assembly sheet. Your kit will include sensor tees, Teflon tape, IPF tees, bushings, unions, elbows, true union ball valves, a pressure gauge, hose bib, miscellaneous pre-cut nipple lengths, tees, and a blend tank.
The kit also includes a pH probe, EC probe, flow meter, a series of H. Anderson injectors ranging from H4s all the way to A3 injectors for different nutrients, as well as the injection fittings, IPF fittings, suction fittings, pilot valve assemblies, mufflers, and mounting brackets, and finally the Growlink Connect Controller. To complete the install of your kit, you'll need to source a few items locally. That'll include PVC, primer, and cement, various bolts and nuts, unistrut nuts. We recommend mounting it to unistrut as well. You'll need zip ties or cable ties, an Ethernet cable, cable glands for mounting into the Connect controller, and finally some signal wire, 18 gauge or equivalent will work. In the next video, Sean's going to walk through how to plumb the manifold for the kit.
Let's get started.